Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound coming from your DaVinci Resolve. There are a few options which could be the reason. So first of all, when you select your audio, as you can see, this is the audio of mine, A1. You want to go ahead right there, and as you can see, the volume is mute. I'm just gonna click on it and unmute it. And now, as you can see, this needs to be dragged to 0 decibels now. All the way there. Now you can also change the volume here. If this still doesn't work, now you want to go to DaVinci Resolve at the top here and click on Preferences. And here you want to click Video and Audio. And here on audio, you can see that input device is Use System Settings. But if you are using for example, I use this Blue Snowball or MacBook Air microphone. You can choose it and then save it. If this still doesn't work, you need to check your computer settings on your audio settings on your computer and make sure it is turned on.